I got this SKB Cymbal case, 24-inch, for quite a bit. It's around 5 years, I think. It's been great, but I generally just use it for cymbal storage or a flight case when I need to travel with the cymbal. The thing is, I've been playing a lot more lately, and the mono backpack cymbal case has just been killing my back. It's nice to look at. It's a nice bag, but it's just not good for the back if you're commuting. Then I remember I had this case, so I took it out, I dusted it off, and then I tried using it for a gig, and that's how I remembered why I had it in storage for a very long time. There's one problem with it. It's frigging loud. Lugging it around, it just feels like you're dragging a giant sheet of metal roofing, you know? It's really that loud. I mean, not exactly, but you get the point. It's very loud. To a point where people will really stare at you and look at you all sus and think like, what's this guy carrying? I mean, why is it so loud? And I almost always get stopped at MRT security. I know I needed to do something. I didn't want to break my back. And I also don't want to take the cab always because the commute system here in Singapore is very good. Then I thought maybe if I changed the wheel, that would help. So I went on to my local decathlon shop and bought some pair of inline skate wheels. I didn't think much of it. I just chose the softest one I can find there. So the lowest durometer. If you know about skating and you would know low durometer, that would mean softer wheels. I was thinking like how a normal trickboard or skateboard is louder than a softer wheeled longboard, right? So I was thinking that way. I didn't think much of it. It was the cheapest pair there I can find. It's complete with bearings and all that. So I took it back, brought it home, and tried to assemble it. But before I did, I tried to compare the sound just by hitting the wheel on the floor. You can hear a big difference there. So then I changed the wheels, and instantly it was much, much, much better. I fixed it. Basically, no more excessive noise. That's one thing though. It lights up. I didn't know I got the like a kid's inline skate wheels, but I don't know. It's kind of growing on me now, so I don't mind it now. People will still look at me and stare at me funny, like. But at least now I'm less like a sus, you know, because of the funny wheel. I think maybe I'm probably gonna be keeping the wheel. I don't want to spend a lot more than what I paid for this wheel. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it. It's relatively cheap. It looks fun. I hope this video is helpful to at least one of you guys out there. Yeah, if you're dealing with noisy or loud wheeled hard case, maybe from SKB or some other else, get a soft wheel. It will fix the problem. The case is great. It's waterproof. It has been raining a lot lately in Singapore, so having this case on commute is great. And then I don't always have to take the cab. Also, for those of you who stayed until the end, and for those of you wondering where I was the whole time, I probably skipped uploading to this channel about a year. The reason why is I went on studying music production. That finished the end of last year, 2022. But then I went on holiday, and when I returned here in Singapore, I was playing a lot. So good, busy, but I was a bit busy. Some of you may know this channel is kind of my side passion project. I do have a day job. Just for some of you who's wondering where I went. I'm back, but I don't know if I could keep up like a weekly upload. I'll try to. Weekly upload is hard. Keeping up with YouTube, to be honest, is very hard, especially with a day job. So yeah, I want to thank all of you guys who are new here, who have subscribed during the past year, even without new uploads, and for all of you guys who stuck around. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it a lot. Thank you for your support. That means a lot. And see you in the next one.